As a human being in our everyday life, we have to mix with different people and to perform different duties and responsibilities. Sometimes we have to help others when they are in trouble or in danger. Again, sometimes we fall in danger and take the help of other people. After taking help, we usually express our gratitude by saying thank you, which is very common and repetitive. In this video, to make our expression of gratitude more impressive and attractive, I am going to share with you few different and impressive ways of saying thank you. This is me, Anwar Hussain, founder and director, Anwar English Academy. So viewers, let's know the first expression. I am grateful to you. Number 2. Thank you very much. Number 3. You are great. Number 4. Thank you a million. Number 5. I can't thank you enough. Number 6. I am in your debt. Number 7. No words are enough to thank you. Number 8. This is so kind of you. Number 9. Thank you very much. Number 10. I don't know how to thank you. Viewers, thank you a lot for watching the video till the end. I hope this video will make your everyday conversation more attractive and impressive. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. No more now. See you soon with another new video. Till then, be good and be happy. Keep watching Anwar English Academy. Thank you. Thank you all.